Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. Today's topic is simple and short conversation in daily life. In this video, you will learn some short and simple sentences for everyday use.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I grow flowers and vegetables.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, it's very relaxing.
How often do you water your plants?
Every morning.
What's your favorite flower?
I love sunflowers.
Do you use organic fertilizer?
Yes, I prefer organic.
Do you have indoor plants?
Yes, I have a few.
What's the easiest plant to grow?
Mint is very easy to grow.
Do you grow herbs?
Yes, I grow basil and mint.
Does gardening take a lot of time?
Not much, just a few minutes daily.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I work out 3 times a week.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I love jogging.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Do you prefer outdoor or indoor workouts?
I prefer outdoor workouts.
How long do you exercise?
About 30 minutes a day.
Do you do yoga?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you stretch before exercising?
Yes, always.
Do you like weightlifting?
Not much. I prefer cardio.
What's the best time to exercise?
Morning is the best time.
Do you exercise with friends?
Sometimes, but mostly alone.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and meet friends.
Do you like staying home on weekends?
Sometimes, but I also go out.
Do you travel on weekends?
Not often, but I love short trips.
Do you sleep late on weekends?
Yes, I wake up late.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
I love going for a walk.
Do you cook special meals on weekends?
Yes, I try new recipes.
Do you visit family on weekends?
Yes, I visit my grandparents.
Do you watch sports on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy football.
What helps you stay healthy?
Eating nutritious food and exercising help me stay healthy.
Where do you go for a morning walk?
I go to the park near my house for a morning walk.
How do you stay hydrated?
I drink at least 8 glasses of water every day.
Whom do you consult for health advice?
I consult my doctor for health advice.
Which fruit do you eat daily?
I eat an apple every day.
When do you sleep at night?
I sleep at 10 p.m. every night.
Why do you avoid junk food?
I avoid junk food because it is unhealthy.
Who prepares healthy meals at home?
My mother prepares healthy meals at home.
What exercise do you do regularly?
I do yoga and jogging regularly.
Where do you buy fresh vegetables?
I buy fresh vegetables from the local market.
What public transport do you use daily?
I use the metro daily.
Where do you catch the bus to work?
I catch the bus at the nearest bus stop.
How do you buy tickets for the train?
I buy tickets online or at the station.
Whom do you ask for directions at the bus stop?
I ask the conductor for directions.
Which is the fastest mode of public transport?
The metro is the fastest mode.
When do you usually travel by bus?
I travel by bus in the morning and evening.
Why do you prefer public transport?
I prefer it because it is affordable and eco-friendly.
Who announces the arrival of trains at the station?
The station announcer does.
What do you do while waiting for bus?
I listen to music.
Where do you find information about bus schedules?
I check the official website.
What is a famous festival in your country?
Diwali is a famous festival in my country.
Where do people celebrate Holi?
People celebrate Holi in streets, homes, and parks.
How do you celebrate Eid?
I celebrate Eid by praying, meeting family, and sharing sweets.
Whom do you visit during Christmas?
I visit my relatives and friends.
Which festival is known for fireworks?
Diwali is known for fireworks.
When does the Durga Puja festival happen?
It happens in October or November.
Why do people decorate homes on Diwali?
They do it to welcome Goddess Lakshmi.
Who organizes cultural programs during festivals?
Local communities and clubs organize them.
What sweets do people prepare for Raksha Bandhan?
They prepare laddus and barfis.
Where do people go to watch Ganesh Visarjan?
They go to the rivers and lakes.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Where do you go during summer?
I go to the mountains.
How do you dress in winter?
I wear warm sweaters and jackets.
Whom do you spend your holidays with?
I spend them with my family.
Which season brings the most rainfall?
The monsoon season brings the most rainfall.
When does autumn start?
Autumn starts in September.
Why do you like spring?
I like spring because flowers bloom.
Who enjoys summer the most?
Children enjoy summer the most.
What food do you eat in winter?
I eat hot soups and dry fruits.
Where do birds migrate in winter?
They migrate to warmer regions.
What is your happiest memory?
My happiest memory is my first school trip.
Where do you keep old photos?
I keep them in an album.
How do you feel when you remember childhood?
I feel nostalgic.
Whom do you share your childhood stories with?
I share them with my friends.
Which memory makes you smile?
My birthday party memories make me smile.
When do you remember old times the most?
I remember them during family gatherings.
Why do we cherish good memories?
We cherish them because they bring happiness.
Who tells the best childhood stories?
My grandfather tells the best stories.
What song reminds you of school days?
The school anthem reminds me of school days.
Where do you visit to relive old memories?
I visit my hometown.
What chores do you do daily?
I clean my room and wash dishes.
Where do you keep cleaning supplies?
I keep them in the kitchen.
How do you wash clothes?
I wash them in the washing machine.
Whom do you help with household work?
I help my mother.
Which chore do you dislike the most?
I dislike washing dishes.
When do you clean your room?
I clean it every weekend.
Why is it important to do house chores?
It keeps the house neat and organized.
Who takes out the trash?
My brother takes out the trash.
What do you do after cooking?
I clean the kitchen.
Where do you store extra groceries?
I store them in the pantry.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!